Hey guys, what's up? So today's top is jerseys 5, 7, 12, 13, 14. The first is called YTHD Unlocker and unlocks HD videos in the YouTube app. This is called YTUHD and unlocks 1440p and 2160p resolutions in iOS YouTube app. You can also apparently spoof your iOS version to 14.6. I don't know. I guess it gives you like higher quality since you're doing that. This is called Sutu Plus, and I unfortunately can't read Chinese, I believe this is. So I cannot, I can't tell you what this tweet does. This is called QQ Purification and Clean QQ for you. This is called QQ Album Prison, and QQ.app stop requiring full album access. And we have QQ and anti-recall hook, and it prevents the other side from withdrawing information and notifies users. And also QQ Browser, it's a page render support. It's the most popular professional browser. This is called UPIP, and it was native picture-in-picture in the YouTube app. This is called Velvet, and a new way to customize your notification. This is called App Editor, compatible with iOS 14 to 14.6. Comes with 30 plus features for controlling the access to your application. You read for yourself. I also want to mention that with this tweak, I think it was added or about to be added. I think 3D touch support is now added in this tweak, so I think you could use 3D touch support. This is called April, and augment your settings app to the next level on the fly. This is called Olympian Lib, and library themes that I use my tweets. And this is called Olympian Preferences to support package for preferences for RKS tweets. This is called Project Launcher iOS Dev, and Minecraft JavaScript comes to iOS. This is called Shy Notifications, and compatible with iOS 10 to 14, including ARM64E, 812, 13 devices. It's a tweet that allows the not wake up on the screen and receive notifications on selected apps. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.